Stop listening to his words. Listen to his last syllable. That tiny pitch rise just destroyed his authority. Same words. Completely different signal. One sounds certain, the other sounds like he's asking permission. Your brain detects that difference in under 100 milliseconds. A Princeton study found speakers with rising pitch were rated 37% less trustworthy. So when your sentence ends like this, your voice isn't finishing the thought. It's asking for approval, and humans don't follow people who ask for approval. The fix is simple. End your sentence like a period, not a question mark. This is Protocol 1. The other two voice protocols are in the full video, because perception control is a system.